Canvas also allows differentiated assignments to assign different due dates to students, especially for individuals with documented disabilities who may require additional time to complete work. Within the Canvas course, click on Assignments. Select the assignment for which you want to provide distinct dates for students and click on Edit. Scroll to the bottom and note that by default, Canvas assigns the work to everyone. To provide differentiated dates to specific students, click the Add button. If you have students assigned to your course, a list of names should show up in the drop-down menu. For this demonstration, we will just select Canvas Demo. At this point, we can set dates to provide extra time for the students. Once you have your dates set, click Save.